Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a CSV file on Google Sheet, or a CSV or a comma separated values as a simple format files where it has no format, so it can just will only show the text and also separated by a comma as its name. So here I've already add some data and I'm going to edit it. So for example, address. Okay, so I'm going to edit this data. Okay, so what you need to do to create this into a CSV file, you can just go to the file menu at the top and then click on download and choose a comma separated values or CSV as the file format. Okay, as you can see, the file or this file has been created into a CSV file. Okay, so that's so easy, right? Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.